What's going on, YouTube? Yeah, this shit looks nice, boy. Testing out a setup. I have a light, I have another light, I have a microphone that you can't see, hopefully. Can't tell if you can. Just testing out a new studio setup here. Just trying to figure out where I want to record in my new space, which I need to make a video about. Y'all probably don't care about that. Let's be real. I don't even know if I'm going to put this up, but pretty much converted my garage into an office. And it's like a whole studio, and everything just looks amazing. So just testing out what this looks like on camera, and how this sounds, because I rigged up a few things a few different ways. So trying to figure out, I'm trying to get to a place where I can have like a one-stop YouTube shop where I can just sit down, record videos, pump out content. So just trying to figure out all the settings and just kind of see what that looks like. Got a couple of things happening, big things happening. Me and my boy James are going to make a new show on YouTube called Pitching Tents Podcast, so got to check that out. I may do my own show also. When you're doing a show with somebody else and logistically you don't live near each other, it's a little harder to do that and consistently pump those episodes out. So I may just do a show by myself as well. I don't know what that would be called, but that is thinking about it. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is really just a video to test everything. Everything should look good. I have a new monitor that I'm looking at. Everything looks pretty damn good. And I really don't know what direction I'm going to take the channel anyway. So this used to be a vlog channel back when everybody thought they could be vloggers. I did well. I had one video that hit and got 700 some thousand views on it, and it's still paying me to this day, which is pretty wild. But yeah, vlogs suck. Everybody knows that. I think everybody's aware of that now. Or they're good if you're famous, and then everybody wants to know what you're up to. But it's just not the case for us normies. So I trying to decide which way to take the channel. I'm thinking about like financial content. It's interesting to me, and I know people are looking for it. And I happen to know stuff about it. I've bought a couple houses in my early 20s. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in as my audience. If you're still here, I have 2,600 subscribers. If any of y'all are interested in that, because I know you don't care about the vlogs, because nobody does. They have like 30 views. So let me know if anybody watches this, let me know what would bring value to the channel. I'm gonna probably try a couple different things. I'm kind of just at this place where I don't really give a shit anymore about what I put up. I'm just kind of making what I want to make, which is kind of freeing. I'm not really worried about what anybody thinks about it. It's like these last two videos I put up, I've just been goofing around in my new office. So yeah, I don't really know what the direction of the channel is going to be. I also have a heater going right now, so I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if this mic is picking that up. Hopefully it's not. It shouldn't be. I think I set everything up to where it should not pick that noise up. If it does, I probably won't even post this. So yeah, it's just some updates on the channel. Well, there really wasn't any updates. It's just me kind of rambling here. If I did do my own podcast, where should I put it? Should I put it on this channel, do like a weekly thing, or should I make my own another channel for it? I'd probably put it on this one. I don't know. Have to test that and see what worked out better. I don't want to, I don't know what I want like the scope of this channel to look like. You know, it's kind of weird to think through. Because you have to kind of think about YouTube channels like a business, right? And I have my own business that I don't have a YouTube channel for, which, thinking about that, I could make a YouTube channel for my business and put everything on that, everything real that I did on that, and then this channel would just be for random stuff. But who likes business YouTube channels? You know, like I don't subscribe to any business YouTube channels. Do you? I don't know. So when I think about like Joe Santagato, he has like Santagato Studios, but he already made it. Yeah, just kind of on his name alone. So now anything he touches works out. It's interesting. Interesting to think through. I'll have to do some thinking, give some thoughts about that. Figure out what I want. This is kind of the first time I thought about that. Because like I want, what I'm trying to do with my business is I want to make like a media company. You know, I want to produce multiple shows. I want to help other creatives figure out whatever it is that they're trying to do. So yeah, that's just a look inside my mind. I really am thinking about financial content, man. That financial content does really well. Would y'all be interested in that? I mean, I am not an expert, you know, I'm not an expert in the field, but you know, I know a thing or two because I'm in a nice house right now, and I can, you know, I've gotten pretty much everything I've ever wanted because I made good decisions. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. I'm interested to see what this audio sounds like. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you end up watching this, I would love to know what you would want to see here. I just need ideas, man. I need to sit down and like roadmap this thing out and just like come up with something that would make sense. I just don't want like the 2,600 people that I have right now, the whopping 2,600 people, to all leave me if I'm making something that they don't want to see. Then again, I don't post anything, so they're probably not here anyway. I definitely want to make podcasts though. Podcasts are where I really want to focus my attention, and I think everybody else does in 2020. I have everything I need to do it. We just have to sit down and record an episode. So from there, I might make my own show though. I don't know what it would be about. I could make it about just being creative. I feel like that, I mean, that's an easy one. It's like being creative in this world where everybody says we need to like go to school and shit. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. This is like this is this is a vlog right here. What the hell? I'm sitting here vlogging about how I don't want to be a vlogger. It's ironic. All right, well, it's gonna do it for me. Let me know what you think about this setup here. I mean, I have a million different spaces I could record in here. Got backdrops up here. That's what these little chains are. They pull down the backdrops. This is right here is that right there. That's a vocal booth. So I'm gonna try to pump out some music as well. I just want to do a lot of stuff. I want 2020 to be my year for a little bit of everything. So we'll see what happens. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. And if you don't, then I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I probably won't do anything because I'm a little bitch. So hope to see you in the next one. I don't know when that's going to be or what that's going to consist of, but hope to see you there. Peace.